Protection and conservation of environment. In the previous chapter, we learned what damages our environment. Now we will read about how to conserve our environment. Understanding conservation. Conservation is the protection of the natural environment, which includes plants, habitats, and natural resources. It means prevention of loss, waste, damage, and destruction to the environment. Our environment is being faced with problems like global warming, water scarcity, soil infertility, and loss of biodiversity. These are caused due to processes like industrialization, urbanization, deforestation, and overpopulation. Forest conservation. Forest provides many social, economic, and environmental benefits. Forest adds to the green cover of our planet. Forest conservation is the practice of planting and maintaining forested areas for the benefit and sustainability of future generations. Forest conservation acts to maintain, plan, and improve forested areas. Forest conservation initiatives like urban forestry and rural forestry have been taken up by the Government of India. Urban forestry pertains to the management of trees on public lands like parks and roadsides. Rural forestry includes agroforestry and community forestry. Wildlife conservation. Wildlife conservation is the practice of protecting species and habitats of animals. It has become an increasingly important practice due to the negative effects of human activity on wildlife. Today we find many animals dwindling in number. It is because of various factors such as scarcity of food, hunting or poaching. Various steps have been taken such as building wildlife sanctuaries and national parks to protect endangered species and provide these animals with their natural habitat. The Government of India has demarcated 112 national parks, 492 wildlife sanctuaries, and 18 biosphere reserves. In spite of this, many species of animals are slowly becoming extinct. The cheetah became extinct in India in the 1950s. Many other animals and birds such as the tiger and the vulture are on the brink of getting extinct. Eco-friendly practices. Eco-friendly may seem to be a fancy word, but it simply means earth-friendly. The 3 R's: reduce, recycle, and reuse best summarize the eco-friendly practices that we should observe. Reduce. Reducing is the first and most effective of the 3 R's. It means reducing your consumption or buying less. Take a bus or van to school instead of going there in your private vehicle. In this way, you can reduce air pollution to some extent. Buy only those things which have less packaging to produce less waste. Save energy by switching off all electric equipment such as lights, fans, TV, etc. when not in use. Use only CFL bulbs as they consume less electricity. Avoid using plastic bags. Avoid driving your own vehicle unnecessarily. Use public transports instead. Reuse. Reusing is the second most effective of the 3 R's. Like reducing, it avoids creating waste rather than trying to recycle. Reuse gift covers and make them out of newspapers. Donate your old clothes and toys to poor people. Write on both sides of a paper. Use cutlery and plates instead of disposable items. Recycle. Recycling is the process of making a new product from an old one to prevent wastage. Many things that we use each day, such as paper, can be recycled. Many things such as greeting cards, paper towels, and envelopes can be recycled. Dispose garbage. This helps in recycling.